Got a banger of a trade on yesterday with 4 points of risk and 41 points of profit. That's 9-hour trade, I think, a 10-hour, some shit like that. Everybody and the mama are complaining about how trading in July is hard. Follow along to learn order flow and aftermarket theory to take trades just like this. This is the daily time frame, as you can see. That is the yearly first standard deviation high. Down below, we got a yearly VWAP. That purple line is the yearly VWAP. Thursday, previous week, we closed below yearly first standard deviation high. Friday, went up to test it. So this day, I was bearish. Okay, so I'm looking for shorts. From there on, I go to 7-hour time frame, as you can see. So that's where we close on Friday. That's where we open on yesterday at Sunday. So we have a new week opening gap. Asia and London expand. This 1800 is Asia. 1 a.m. is the London, right? We expand up to where? I'll tell you that. We'll expand up to. This is the 30-minute time frame, as you can see up top right here. We had previous value right here developing, right? That's value area high, value area low. From this balance market, we went imbalance and we made balance market down here again, right? As you can see. So anything above this is on fair value. Anything above this is trending. When we closed here on Friday, and when we opened here, making this new week opening gap, we went to test what? Previous fair value. So when I am in this previous fair value, I'm expecting price to hold this fair value and trade lower compared to it. So bearish bias, right? And also you see this gray box right here. That is first standard deviation low, VWAP, and first standard deviation high of the previous week. If we are going to be bearish, we will hold any one of these levels. So when we open at VWAP and we've been trading higher in the overnight session, Asia and London, I'm expecting rejection anywhere between VWAP and what is this? First standard deviation high. So let's go down to smaller time frame. Right here. Right here. So Asia and London, we expand. We come back inside fair value, which would be within these VWAP bands, right? We hold VWAP, we cannot break through first standard deviation high. Instead, what do? We print this rejection candle on 5-minute time frame in the morning session. So I'm looking for bearish at that point. So from there, I come to TPO. This, what is this? Point of control was the naked point of control. So I was expecting price to reject from there. That price is 7,522.25. And if I go here in 29, is this black line, we reject that black line perfectly. And then we can also break first standard deviation high. So now I'm expecting for a seller strap and just take my trade. And my trade comes at 9:05. So on order flow, on footprint chart, that should be at 8:05. So let's go to 8:05, see what's going on, right? So we have all this buyer strap. Market comes down, revisits that at where? At 8:05. Where is 8:05? Somewhere in here. I have all this buyer strap right here. And then if I go down here, right, all of this delta, that's selling pressure increasing. And CVD was also negative, to be honest. So I just take trades in one of these levels and I take it all the way down to new week opening gap. That's the blue line right there. And I get out at 41 points. I took it out manually when I see this rejection right here, because that was the previous value area high. That previous value area high would be this value area high of previous value. So I don't want to take trade in below it. Price did go all the way up to previous value area low and then to the ticket respects, and we are coming back up. So you could have taken that long size retracement into fair value, but I didn't do it. But yeah, this is the trade of the day.